Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your course settings as well as edit your course introduction in Moodle. Please come along with me. So you're welcome to the Moodle environment, and this is what you will see in the environment. You have the dashboard, you have the site home. So if you click, this is the landing page. Now if you click on the site home, you will see what is put on the site home. So now we want to actually see how we can adjust the course settings. But before you can adjust the course settings, this would have been done by the administrator in charge of the Moodle environment. Now after the administrator has done the settings, if there's a need to change the course settings, then of course you can actually change the course settings. So let's quickly see how we can change the course setting. So what you see here right now is the structure of a course page. So a course page has a title and has these breadcrumbs. So these are called breadcrumbs. So you can navigate through these breadcrumbs from dashboard to courses to trainings. So you can just go and just click on it to navigate straight to where you're going. And of course, this is the general frame with an announcement. And you have the topics. So this is topic 1. This is the frame for topic 1. There's the frame for topic 2, the frame for topic 3, and the frame for topic 4. So now what we want to see is how we can adjust this course setting. Now to adjust that, you go to this gear icon here. You click on the drop down arrow, and then you click on the edit settings. So when you click on the edit settings, you're going to see the settings for this course. So you can see this is the full name, this is the short name, and the category under where this course is training, and the course is shown here. And of course, these are not enabled. This talks about the start date of the course, the end date of the course. If you enable it, of course, you can change the end date of the course. And this is a short ID number for the course. So if you want to put a description of what the course is all about, all you need to do is just click in here and then type the description in this box. Of course, you can use the formatting toolbar also to make it bold or to increase the size of the font. And if we have an image that represents that course, all you need to do is just drag the image into this box and go forward to the course format. So the format that has been set is the topic format. And of course you can change the format to either social format, weekly format, single activity format, but generally we leave it as topic format, and these others are default. So you can just leave all these as they are. And if you're done changing, if there's a need for you to change, of course you need to click save and display. And that is looking at how you can adjust the course settings. I'll see you in the next section. Thank you. All right, so the next thing we want to do is to set the course introduction. Now, if you need to set the course introduction, all you need to do is to go to your course page. Now, in the traditional class, what you do is you come to the class and you meet new students and you introduce yourself. So and so, I'm going to be your lecturer for this course. That is exactly the same thing that I want to do here. So you need to set the course introduction. Now, if you have used this course page in the previous year, you need to change the introduction that you have set there. All right, so, but this is a new class. It assumed a new class because you can see that the course page is blank. So in order to set your course introduction, you need to go back to this gear icon and click turn editing on. It's expedient. When you want to change anything on your course page, you must click turn editing on. So when you click on the turn editing on, then of course it gives you the accessibility to change things. For instance, you could see that for every frame you have add an activity or resource. Topic 2, you have add an activity or resource. So what we want to do is to set the course introduction to introduce ourselves as the course lecturer. All right. So how do you do that? You go to this general tab and click on the edit button and click on edit section. Now when you click on edit section, it's going to give you this interface. You'll notice that this custom is not checked. So for you to change what is here, you have to click on this box, check this box, and then you can now type welcome. And of course, you can use the summary box to give an introduction of yourself. I am going to be your facilitator. For this course. I am, then of course your name, and every other detail that you want to put on the introduction, you can just set it. Now you can also format the course introduction. This is bold, and of course you can increase the font also. This is heading large, heading medium. So this is heading medium. This is heading large. So it depends on what fascinates you. All right. So you can put other instructions. You can tell them when there's going to be tests. You can tell them what they are supposed to expect in this course. So once you're done with that, of course, click on Save Changes. And once you click on Save Changes, you will see it on the course page. I'm going to be your facilitator for this course. This is my name. And of course, because this is the only line that I put, that's why you're seeing this only line. If there are other things, of course, you're going to see them displayed. So this is going to be your course introduction. When the students get on this page, that is what they will first of all see. You would have introduced yourself. They know about you. If you like, you can put your phone number. You can put your email. How do we contact you? So it's as simple as this. Introduce yourself to your class. Thank you. In this segment, we will try to upload materials for the students. As a lecturer or as a teacher, you want to put together key points. You want to put together short notes so that your students can access it anywhere they are. All right. So it's expedient that you go to your course page, which is the only interface between you and the students, and then upload that short notes, upload that material, upload that key points for them. Now, as a facilitator, you only interact with your course page. But as learners, as students, they have their own pages, and whatever you put on your course page will be seen by all the students, even if there are 1,000. You need to put it once, and everybody sees it, everybody gets it. So, but before we go on to uploading a key point or a short note for the students, we want to look at how we can actually change this label, topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4, to reflect the content of this topic. Of course, as it is right now, there's nothing you can do until you turn editing on. Of course, you could see that you don't have the edit button here. You can't do anything here until you turn the editing on. So when you click on the down pointing arrow, you would click on turn editing on. And once you click on that turn editing on, you could see that you have the edit button. And of course, attached to every frame, you have the add an activity or resource. But what we want to do is we want to edit this topic so that it can reflect the content of those topic. So for topic 1, just go to the edit button in front of it, click on edit topic. All right, and by default, you have topic 1. Click on this box, and of course, you can rename topic 1, Introduction to Online Class. That is an hypothetical example. And of course, click on Save Changes. So what do we have? Topic 1, Introduction to Online Class. You can go to topic 2, click the Edit button there, and click on Edit Topic. Now click on this custom icon, and of course you can rename Topic 2. Concepts of e-learning. So this is how you can change all the labelings. Topic 2, concept of e-learning, and of course click on Save Changes, and that is changed. Okay, so what we have, you have Introduction to Online Class, you have concept of e-learning, and of course you can change the others. Now, so what we want to do actually is to upload a course content. Like I told you, it could be a keynote, it could be short notes that you have prepared for the students that you want them to see. Okay, so if you want to do that, all you need to do is click on Add an Activity or Resource. Add an activity or resource, and of course it presents you with a lot of activities that you can use, and of course you have resources that you can also use. So examples of activities that you can use are assignment, charts, choice, database, external tools, feedback, forum, glossary, lesson, and quiz. And of course you have SCORM packages and the likes. And for the resources you can put for them, you can have book, you can have file, folder. Now, because you want to upload a course material, you will have to click on File. Is a resource. So file is a resource, and of course click on Add button. When you click on the Add button, it's going to give you this interface. So it's asking you to name this particular file that you want to upload. So you're gonna name it like something like short notes on e-learning, hypothetical on e-learning. Okay, and of course if you like the description, you want to put the description, you can put the description here. Now if you put a description, you could say please ensure you read this as you learn more. Please ensure you read this. Okay, and if you don't click on this, they won't see this instruction that you have given. So for them to see this, of course you have to click on this display description on course page. All right, and then the next thing for you is to drag the file here. So you could click on this to add it. Okay, so if you want to click on this, so I'm going to click on that, and then you can click on upload a file and try to choose the file. Where is the file coming from? It's on my desktop, and you scroll to where the file is, which is, can I see the file right now? Okay, short notes. So just double click on that, you can see short notes.pdf is a PDF file. And of course finally you click on upload this file, and when you click on upload this file, you are going to see that file here. So you can see it's a PDF file. And of course the appearance talks about how you want the file to appear. Do you want to display the size of the file on the page? Do you want to show the type, whether it's a PDF or it's a Word file? Okay, you want to display resource description? So all these are optional. So if you like, you can leave them. Then how do you want the file to appear? Do you want it to be downloaded? Once they click on it, do you want it to be downloaded on their system, which is fine, so that they won't be burning data online. Okay, so and these are default, you can leave them. And finally you can click on save and return to course. So let's see what we have on the course page. Okay, now so you could see that on topic 1 we have short notes on e-learning, and the lecturer is saying please ensure you read this. So once they click on this, it downloads on their system. Very, very easy way in which you can get materials to your students wherever they are. Now our editing is still turned on, so we need to turn this off. So we're going to go back to the gear icon and turn editing off. Once we turn it off, you see there's no more editing that can be done here. So, and this is what this is all about. Now we want to see how we can use links on our module course page. There are two ways in which you can do this. The first way is to go to add an activity or resource. And before you can do that, you will have to go to this gear icon and click on Turn Editing On. By now, you should be familiar with the Turn Editing On button. All right. So, and we're still working on this topic 1. We want to put a link on this topic 1. It could be an additional resource. It could be an extra video that the student will find interesting. It could be, for instance, the generation of computers, first generation, second to the fifth generation. That could be a video that you want them to see so that they can appreciate the beauty of that transition between the first generation to the fifth generation of computers. All right. So if you have a video like that, you may want to copy the link instead of downloading the video and uploading the video to this learning management system. So you don't need to do that. All you need to do is to copy the link where that video is found, and then you embed it on the course page. All right. So I have a YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and there's a brief course introduction here. So all I need to do here is to right click on this video and click on copy link address. Copy link address. So I've copied the link address. Then I move back to my course page, and on topic 1, I'll click on add an activity or resource. Now there's a resource that will allow us to do that, and that is the URL, Uniform Resource Locator. That's URL. So you click on the URL, and then you click on add. So when you click on the add button, now it's going to ask you to name that video. So you could say, if it's a video class, you could say video class on generation of computers. This is just an example of generation of computers. All right. Then it's now asking for the external URL. So you right click here and then you paste the URL that you have copied from YouTube. And that's all you need to do. And then next, just click on save and return to course. And let's see how that looks like. So you could see it's a link. So once you click on this video class on generation of computers, it goes to YouTube and it plays that. So all I need to do is to click on edit button here and click on edit section. Edit section. All right. So you could see this is my welcome introduction that I did the other time, but I want to now insert a video in here, my introductory video after my introduction. So all I need to do is to click on this icon. This icon says insert or edit an audio stroke video file. So click on this, right click and paste the link that you have copied. I've copied this previously, and then you can name this as video file. All right, and click on insert media. So this is what you're going to see, video file. Now let's save changes and let's see what we have. So you can see. So you could see, so once they play this, of course, it's going to play the introductory video, which is copied from YouTube. This is your course introduction, and this is your video introduction to the class. So you could see that two links are behaving in different ways. If you use URL, it's going to give you as a link. And if you copy on the page, you're going to have the video file presented. Thank you.